Greeting Panthers. Today, after a very big loss, I've decided that let me try Siren spell. Then we're gonna try it here. I'm gonna do some spins with 1 rand. Maybe we can get a bonus. But if I'm not getting a bonus, what I'm gonna do, I will buy a bonus of 25 rand. So let's see what will happen here with 1.25. Maybe we can spin into a bonus. I thought it's happening. Or maybe we can even get something decent, we don't know. Okay. Maybe we can get something nice, guys, we don't know. Maybe we can walk away with something good. We will never know. It's gambling, all in all. Okay, we are not winning, guys. It seems like as if we might get, maybe we might get it. As it shows, it looks like it's hot, actually, if I can say. It looks like it's hot. It looks so. Let's see if, but I'm gonna stop it now. I will stop it. I'm just gonna go straight to the bonus buy. Let's just go straight to the bonus buy with Siren spell. Maybe we can grab something. We just got our scatters. Is it possible to get more than 3 scatters here in Siren spell? You gotten more than 3 scatters? Let me know that in the comment section. If it's possible, let me know that in the comment section. Okay. Right, let's see. We are left with 8 to unlock. Can we unlock them? Okay, maybe this will do, I don't know. Yeah, we finally unlock, and it's a big win. We will take that. Actually, we'll take that. We'll take that. It's a big win. Big win is a big win, guys. Does not matter. As long as you get the big win, we unlock the first level. Let's go, baby. Let's go to the next level. Let's see what will happen to the next level. Maybe we might be lucky and unlock all of them. Okay, 31 more to unlock the second level. Just need 3 ladies. They can help a lot here. She's too far. $29 more to unlock the second level. Wow, 27. We are still far, guys, and we're left with 3 games. So we couldn't make it. We couldn't make it, but we got 19 rand, 19.18. Just gonna do 200 spins. Whatever happens, it happens, fine. Or if we get the bonus, it's okay. Let's see, but let's hope we're gonna get something. Okay, this was so nice, but it is a big win, guys. We'll take that. 14 rand. We're gonna take that. Let's see. Maybe we can spin into a bonus quickly. I just want to spin it, guys. Okay. Let's see if we can grab a bonus here by spinning, because majority of people here, you are saying, okay, if you spin this game, you can get a bonus and it's gonna pay. I want to see that now. Let's spin it and see if we're gonna get that bonus, and let's see if it's gonna pay. Okay, if and only if it was higher symbols there, we're going to grab something so good. Yes, we finally got the bonus, baby. Let it go, let it move. Let's see where it's gonna take us. Let's see, guys, where it's going to take us. I'm ready for this. Nothing yet. 11 down. Okay, all right, it's a big win. We'll take that. Okay, all right, this might help. And guys, if you want me, if you have a online shop or you are selling some things online, anything that you want me to advertise for you, let me just know. If I can help you, I can advertise it for you here in my channel. People can know about you. So if you have the online shop, anything that you need maybe me to advertise for you guys, you can talk to me in my WhatsApp there. You can send me an email in my YouTube there is my email for business there. We can talk business. You can WhatsApp me, send me email, we can talk business. Okay guys, I'm gonna buy now. If you need any products that maybe you want people to know about them, anything that you are selling, you can let me know. We can advertise it for you. You can talk business, but it's not free. You must know that you are going to pay for, in order for me to do that. You will have to pay. It's not free, don't get me wrong. Okay, this bonus looks so dead, guys. Don't know if it's me, but it looks very, 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 very. Okay, it's a big win, and we're left with 4 to unlock. Seems like, okay, it was dead. We couldn't make anything here. We are battling with it, guys. We are really battling. We are really battling here. Let's fight. Maybe we're gonna win. Alright, guys, we couldn't make it, and then yeah, we're gonna make it next time. It happens. And if you're a new member, don't forget to subscribe. We're gonna go live on Sunday. And if you want to advertise your products, or if you have an online shop, you can inbox me, WhatsApp me in 07233 73640, or there is my email. You just click on about there. You will find my email for you to send email for business, and take into account that it's not for free. If you want me to advertise for you, you will have to pay. Thank you.